Right now, there are people making $500 per day online. And the crazy part? They are not working harder. They are working smarter using AI tools. If you already know how to make $100 online, then this video will show you how to multiply that income to $500 per day. In my previous videos, I showed you how beginners can make their first $100 online. But making $500 per day requires a different strategy. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to scale your income using AI tools, especially by targeting high-paying clients from the United States *** United States. Make sure you watch till the end, because most people fail in the scaling phase. Step 1. Shift your mindset. Before we talk about tools or strategies, you need to change your mindset. Most beginners think like this: I just need to make some money. But to reach $500 a day, you need to think like this: how can I provide more value? Because online income is simple. More value equals more money. Instead of doing small tasks, focus on solving bigger problems. Step 2. Choose high-income skills. Now let's talk about skills. If you are still doing $5 to $10 tasks, you will never reach $500 per day. You need to choose high-income skills like YouTube video editing, thumbnail plus branding, script writing, sales copywriting, content automation. Let's take an example. A YouTuber who earns thousands per month is willing to pay $100 plus for good thumbnails or scripts. So instead of working with low-paying clients, focus on clients who can actually pay you more. Step 3. Use AI to multiply your work. Now this is where AI changes the game. Instead of working harder, you use AI to work faster. For example, ChatGPT can generate scripts in minutes. Canva can create designs quickly. AI video tools can edit videos faster. This means you can handle multiple clients at the same time. Let's say one client equals $50 and 10 cents clients equals $500. Handling 10 clients becomes possible. Step 4. Create high-ticket packages. This is the biggest mistake beginners make. They charge per small task. Instead, you need to create packages. For example, $50 for one thumbnail crossmark, $200 for 10 thumbnails white heavy checkmark, $500 monthly service white heavy checkmark. Clients prefer packages because they save time, they get consistency, and you earn more money with fewer clients. Step 5. Find high-paying clients. Now let's talk about clients. Not all clients are equal. To reach $500 a day, you need better clients. Here's where to find them: YouTube creators, Instagram influencers, online businesses, coaches and course creators. Go where money is already flowing. And always target clients from the United States ** United States because they have higher budgets. Step 6. Build a system. To make $500 per day consistently, you need a system, not just random work. Your system should include daily outreach, fast delivery, repeat clients. Once you build this, your income becomes stable. Bonus tip: if you really want to grow fast, focus on English communication, professional work, consistency, and most importantly, don't stop after 1 to 2 clients. Scaling is where real money is. Making $500 per day online is not impossible. It's just a matter of strategy and execution. If you start today and stay consistent, you can reach this level faster than you think. If you found this video helpful, like this video and subscribe to the channel. And in the next video, I'll show you how to build passive income using AI tools.